to remember. We have taken over an undisclosed high school in an undisclosed part of the galaxy to set the stage for an intergalactic challenge for the ages. Inspired by Netflix's My Dad the Bounty Hunter,
Daddy?
2 teams will attempt to qualify to become intergalactic bounty hunters. Welcome to the My Dad the Bounty Hunter arena.
What's up, guys?
You see this?
Yeah, of course. What is up, guys? I'm your host, Juju. Take a look around. Make yourselves at home.
To my left, we have Team Lisa, represented by influencers Familia Diamond, That's Tsunami, and Diesel. To my right, we got Famous 2 Family, represented by Camaro and Trey. Today, both families will attempt 3 training courses that will qualify them to become intergalactic bounty hunters. With that being said, let's get this show on the road. To be an intergalactic bounty hunter, you need to be able to focus on your target, especially a target moving at high speeds. To conquer this challenge, you use a special issue bounty hunter practice blaster to hit every moving target you see here. Kids, it's your job to catch all the nets in target number 1. Pass it to Dad to wipe out the magic orbs in target number 2. It's you again for target number 3. You must knock out all 3 targets in under 30 seconds. Let's see if you qualify as an intergalactic sharpshooting duo.
All right, pick up that blaster. We about to get it started. 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Let's go, Tsunami! Oh, you got this! Oh, you got this! Go! Oh, you got this! Okay, yeah! All right, let's go! You got
it. 3, 2, 1.
Good job. Let's go. All right. Come on, bro. You got this.
Now, come on.
Nice shot. Nice shot.
Like dominoes. Okay.
All right, come on, bro. 3
Come
more.
on.
2 more. 2 more. One more.
One more.
Let's go.
He's got it.
Let's go. Come on.
One more, man. Come on, man. Come on, bro.
Come
on, bro. Time's running out.
Nice shot.
All right, time's running out. Let's do it. All right, Tsunami. Bring the hurricane.
All right, guys. Last shot.
Right there.
Oh. Let's go.
Hey.
Good job, bro. Yeah. Good job, Tsunami. Good job.
That was really intense. Nail biter.
It wasn't hard. You just, it was, yes, exactly.
The blaster felt like pretty good, and I'm like, okay, this is me. Bam, bam, bam.
Ready? I'm ready.
Got my timer. Pick up that blaster. All right, 3, 2, 1. Let's go!
Let's go. Let's go, Camaro. Keep shooting. Yes. Let's go. Let's go. Next one. Yes. One more. Yes. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. One more. One more. Did it go in there? Come on. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go.
All right. Got it. Play. One shot. Play. Okay. All right, bro. You got it. Rapid fire. Come on. Hit it. Come on. There it is. 2 and 1. All right. There it is.
Come on.
Somebody let him lose. Get it. Hey, you ain't trying to go down. It's not trying to go down. All right, let's go.
Last
All right,
one.
you under a gun. Good. You got the time. Okay, 3.
Let's go. My blaster jam. That's all good.
They just want to shoot.
Yeah, you killed it.
Y'all was made for this.
Hey, my son, you carried us. You revived us, and you got the target. So, man, you did that.
Yeah, we did it.
Yeah.
We did it.
All right.
No, I did it. We
All right,
did it.
let's
Okay.
go.
All right, that's it for this challenge. And guess what, guys? You guys did it under the time limit, which means you qualify for the next round.
All
right. We're headed to the next round. But first, a word from our sponsors.
One of our prisoners just escaped our prison planet. Who can help us? Who are you guys?
Brock and Gorlox, bounty hunters for hire. You've tried the rest, now hire the best. And remember, if we can't find them, they're probably dead.
Every intergalactic bounty hunter needs coordination and calm under pressure to capture their targets. Our next test takes place in the convenience store from My Dad the Bounty Hunter, along 15 feet of heavy-duty shelves. Each rack is packed with extraterrestrial food items from all over the galaxy. To pass this test, you'll be crammed inside the only ship you can find in a pinch, an oversized mop bucket. Dad, you're steering with the wet mop. Kids, you'll be using robot extension arms to reach items from the shelves to stock up for a long trip through space. You have 1 minute to get 5 boxes into your bucket. Team Lisa went first last round, and now it's time for Team Sean to go first this round. Alright guys, so you guys did really well on that first challenge, so talk to me a little bit about your strategy for this one right here.
I mean, I'm gonna be pushing this thing with the mop as hard as I can, and it's up to you to just don't crash. I can't make no promises, but just grab as much as you can. All right? That's our strategy.
Okay, so you're the anchor, you're the grabber. Let's do it. Alright, let's get this thing started. Alright, you guys ready?
Yep.
Alright, we're gonna start it in 3, 2, 1, go!
Alright, there we go. Oh, man, come on. Alright, you got a purple one? Come on. I can't read it. Alright, I got you. I'm gonna turn around. Okay. Alright, there you go.
Nice.
Alright, grab it quick. I'm trying.
Okay.
Nice catch, dude. You was falling over. He caught it at the last second.
Oh, no.
Get it. Keep moving.
Oh, dang.
Keep going. You got it.
Oh!
You caught it. That was a good move. Okay.
Oh, dang. Got it. Let's go.
Grab it from the top.
No.
Oh, it's good. It's all good. Come on, now, 5. Come back for it. All right, 25 seconds, guys. Here it comes. I can't get it. Come on. Don't stop. You got it. Yeah. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Time's up.
All right, guys, really good job. Let's count the spoils. Yes. We got 1, 2, 3, 4,
Let's go.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Let's go.
I
like
You
that.
guys
Good
pass.
job.
You move on to the next
Thank
round. You
you.
qualify.
Thank you.
Amazing, fellas. Amazing.
Oh, yeah!
All right, Tsunami, Diesel, you just saw Team Sean take that. Now, it's a benefit to go in second. So what are you guys thinking as you guys take this challenge on?
Well, I think we're gonna focus on strength and accuracy. Obviously, strength and accuracy.
He says you got the muscles, so
Yeah,
it's
we have muscle here, accuracy here. So
very
I
intimidating.
think you will be pushing. I have quick hands.
Okay.
So I think I'm gonna be able to do this very quickly.
I'm gonna use that to your advantage. All right,
Yeah.
you heard the people. Let's get it going again.
Reggie Creep Gut Gushers. Sarah Brain Blue Butt Blasters? Coca Lotta Cootie Caramel Squares?
3.
Literally, just
2.
push.
1.
This way. Closer! Oh my god! Okay. Oh my god! This way! No! What are you doing? Go! Mine. Okay, that way, give it. Good. Guys, we're good. Go. Push, go, that way. Just let me get this one. Good stuff.
All right, how about that,
hands are
guys?
sweaty.
Let's count your spoils. Let's count the goodies.
Okay.
That was wild. Okay.
All right.
The amount of yelling I heard. All right. How you guys think you did? You guys ready?
yes, we are.
Let's count them up. We got 1,
Yeah.
2,
Winners?
3,
I don't know.
4. We stacking up. 5,
Oh, it's gonna be close.
6, 7, 8.
Oh, that's me. We got.
Nice. That's more than enough to pass. You qualify for the next round.
Good job.
Up top. All right. Okay. Now, look at that beautiful stack. That's all you.
We worked for it.
You worked hard for it. Worked really hard.
He did most of it. He did all the pushing.
You did all the screaming.
I did all the screaming.
Can you talk to us a little bit about like your thought process as you guys were going all over the place?
No thoughts, just grab.
No thoughts, just grab.
Yeah.
Okay, they were just on ultra instinct.
Yep.
Here at last, the final round. Your drone pilot qualification, where every electro charged molecule in your hands and brain are going to be at their tipping point as you navigate a course designed to chew up your ships and spit them right back out. You're instantly catapulted through the industrial engine blades, overwhelmed with the bounty of jagged asteroids, thrown through neon-soaked hoops, guzzled up by a tunnel with just enough space to squeeze you out, then swept past nameless planets of outer space before the finish line. This race is a relay, so both parents and kids get a full lap. To pass this challenge, you need to navigate both laps in under 1 minute. What is your strategy right now? Tell me how you're feeling.
I mean, I feel like I'm gonna go with the mentality: slow is painful, fast is fun.
Okay, all right. Remember, this is a relay, so I know you guys got each other's back, right?
Definitely.
Are y'all ready? All right, three-way. Let's
do
do
it.
it. You're one step closer to be intergalactic bounty hunters. How are you guys feeling? What's the strategy?
I'm really excited. I think just don't think about it and go for it.
Okay.
Things work out for me better that way.
Yeah.
Just do it.
Fast,
Just go with
clean, all the way to the finish line.
Bounty hunter, baby. Hey, yo, he sees you running, so he flips into attack mode. So keep on running, or he'll put you on your back, bro. I tell you something, ain't nothing stronger or fast, though. His enemy cringe when he's on that villainy smash, though. Better be fast, bro. He put you on blast, yo. With you in his grip, he turning you in, collecting the cash, yo. Back to the crooks, never get thanked, but he let it go when he goes to the bank. Criminals look, you know the play. Criminal shit when they hear his name. Same old strike of fear in the shadows. Hey, I just call him my dad, bro. Same old strike of fear in the shadows. Check it, yo, I just call him my dad, bro.
Not there yet.
Yo, my dad the bounty hunter. 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 My dad the bounty hunter. Yo, my dad the bounty hunter.
Ooh, into the wall. Come on, let's get that one back up in the air. Nice and smooth, got a crash, just the cozy on by.
He let it go when he goes to the bank. Criminals want food on the plate. Criminals shook when they hear his name. Same old strike of fear in the shadows. Hey, I just call him my dad, bro. Same old strike of fear in the shadows. Check it, yo, I just call him my dad, bro. Yo, my dad the bounty hunter. Yo, my dad the bounty hunter. Yo, my dad the bounty hunter. Yo, my dad the bounty hunter.
Incredible work, teams. You were as quick thinking as Lisa, as brave as Sean, and as skilled as Sable himself. It's clear he will be proud to have skilled bounty hunters like you on his crew. And you know what else is clear? You guys both have strong bonds with your dads. Wow. Now you're all skilled individuals, but you're more formidable when you're working together. The universe better watch out. I'm so happy you all score quality time with your dad while proving your prowess as intergalactic bounty hunters. I'm your host, Juju, reminding you to watch My Dad the Bounty Hunter only on Netflix.